Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 11 computer that says that your computer's trusted platform module has malfunctioned, followed by error code 800900016. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up File Explorer. So if you have the icon down your taskbar, just go ahead and open that up. You can also search for it as well. And then on the left side, you want to select this PC. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the three-dotted icon up at the top right. Just left click on that. And then select Options. Select the View tab. And where it says Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, go ahead and select that. And then you want to select Apply and OK. And now double click on your drive where Windows is installed. Should be a little Windows icon above the hard drive. Go ahead and double click on that. Do the same thing now for the users folder. And then same thing for your user account name. Double click on the app data folder and then double click on local. And then you want to go and double click on the packages folder. Now in the search package field up in the top right, just select it or click inside of it. And you want to search for Microsoft.aad. And the best result should show up as this one folder. You want to right click on this folder. You want to select the rename button, which is also F2 if you want to use a keyboard shortcut. Add a .old on the end of this folder and then just click out of it to save it. And then once you have renamed it, we're going to go ahead and restart our computer. Please note at the time of this recording, there's only one folder in here that starts with Microsoft.aad. It probably most likely will never change, so you just add the .old to that particular folder. And you can see it, I'm just hovering over it at the time of this recording. So there's additional folders in here at some point in the future. You can just take note of this specific folder, and then you got the underscore CW5 and then the remaining text after that. So just want to put that out there. There could be additional letters or characters added down the road. There could be new folders created. Probably not. I'm not a fortune teller. So go ahead and close out of here once that's done and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to help resolve your issue. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.